Today is something exciting. Now, a lot of, you've been asking questions, queries, concerns regarding the new features that have been introduced in XAB, especially how the staking works. So I know that we did a little bit of training on that earlier already, but I would like to take you through this again just to make sure that everyone has a clear understanding. Now, first of all, anybody who's been trading or has wallet in different exchanges and all and stores cryptocurrency might know a little bit about this already. Basically, you don't always, once you accumulate any cryptocurrency, you don't always constantly trade with it, right? Majority of us are accumulating it so that when the price goes up, we can sell it and make profit. Now, while you have that accumulated and you're waiting for the price to go up, that might be like, a couple of months to a year, because we all know that in crypto, wait is the game. Like people who bought Bitcoin 10 years ago, they benefited a lot more than, the ones who just like did not wait long enough and probably sold it 5 years ago. So that is why holding is really, really important when it comes to making profit with crypto. However, while you're waiting, you don't really get anything from it normally, except when you stake that. Now, when you stake, what happens is that you give your or you keep your cryptocurrency in a particular wallet, and the company can trade with it or anything, and they pay you profit. Now, the good part is that normally in trading, profits can go either way, or rather, trades can go either way. It can go in profit or loss or anything. But one is that, with ZAP, we use arbitrage system, so it's a win-win trading scenario. Secondly, when you stake, you always get profit in positive. Now, with ZAP, what happens is that you need to have any active account. Now, your active package could just be 10 XRP, and you can actually stake any amount that you want. So it is quite possible so that you have a 10 XRP active package in ZAP only, but you choose to stake 1000 or 10,000 XRP as well. In fact, staking you can do either in XRP or in USD as you choose. Now, why would you stake? First of all, it is the amount, two reasons. First, you reckon that you might need this amount sometime in near future. Okay, so you don't want to buy a package, because with package, of course, you can make 4x, but it does take time. Now, you cannot partially withdraw or anything. So that's why with the staking, the good part is that when you stake, you can withdraw your capital amount. Capital and profits are separate in while staking. So if you choose to, you can even break your staking and withdraw the amount at any point of time. So the funds that you have in staking are pretty much liquid. They're available to you as and when you need. That's number one. Secondly, it can be specifically good to attract people who are not very willing to get into network marketing system. As you know, that a lot of people who are into trading or crypto, because probably they don't have experience in network marketing, or they don't have good experience in network marketing, they shy away from the system, because and a lot of times they don't even want to, like, give it a try, no matter how good the system is. So that is why, with the staking system, what happens is that they can actually get their foot in the door here and try the staking without actually, buying a package in the system where they can make 4x, but the package in a way is tied up, because here the amount is available as liquid. Now, I would like to show you in your back office how to go about staking, and then I will take you through different, scenarios when it comes to staking. So let me just share my screen. I hope you can see it. Now, this is what your back office looks like. Also, just a reminder before we go there that we've got Prime Week going on right now. So anyone who chooses to transfer or withdraw any money to our Forex platform, to Avora, until tomorrow, that's the 3rd of March, that's when the offer ends, will get 100% tradable bonus. So that means if you transfer 100 XRP, withdraw 100 XRP from Zap to Avora, you get 100 extra. If you withdraw 1000, then you get 1000 extra. If you withdraw 2000, you get 2000 extra. That's the limit. Now, okay, going back to staking. Now, you go to your back office, you click on the three buttons here. Just above the dark mode, you see staking here. Okay, so when you click on staking, you see this screen and you can click on add. Now here you see a couple of options. You can choose 30 days staking, which can give you profit of 5% annual return. 90 days gives you 20% annual return. 180 days give you 50% annual return. And 360 days staking can give you 125% annual return. Now remember, all these percentages mentioned here are in addition to your principal. So your 100% principal is on the side that you've put in staking. This profit that you're receiving is in addition to that. Now, what happens here? You can choose to stake either in XRP or USD. And any amount that you have in your wallet, that is what you can choose to stake. So, for example, I only have 3.97 XRP here. So, that's the maximum I can choose to stake. But if I have more in my fund wallet, now in your fund wallet, it could be money that you've received, XRP that you've received as a result of bonus or commission that you've earned, or you could even externally fund that wallet. So any money that's, as long as you have the money in your fund wallet, you can use that for staking. So you input the amount that you want to stake and you click on submit. It's as simple as that. And you can have as many staking amounts. So for example, today you want to try with staking 100 XRP. Tomorrow, when you like the system and everything, you can choose to stake another 1000 XRP or dollars or anything that you wish. That's the best part. And especially right now, when we all see that the world is being so unstable, that all assets, including hard assets like gold and silver, are so unstable, let alone crypto. Crypto has crashed almost, over 40%. In this scenario as well, this is a system that sort of guarantees you profit, and that's a huge deal. Anybody keeping their money just in their wallet sitting there would actually lose its value when the market goes down. But if you put the same money in XAB system and you put it in staking, then despite the market scenario, the value goes up, or you're making profit on top of that. So by the end of the year, if you choose 360 days 125%, the total you get is 225%, 100% principal plus 125% profit or interest. So that's the good part. Now let's check a scenario where you stake it for 360 days, but for any reason after 180 days itself, you realize that you want to take that money out because maybe the of crypto has gone up so much that you want to liquidate it there and then, or you might have some need, you might have some expense coming up. It could be any reason. All you need to do is you obviously send our team a support ticket asking the staking to be stopped, and they do that. Once that happens, because you've staked for 180 days, not 360, so your profit will be calculated as per. Now, once you start staking, you start receiving profit daily. Okay, so you've staked for 360 days. According to 125% annual, you start receiving profit daily. Now, if you choose to break that staking, let's say after 180 days, then the system would calculate how much profit you would have got as per 180 days, 50%, because you've only, completed 180-day term. So it will be as per 50%. So it will calculate that, and whatever your balance is, because your profit is paid already, whatever your balance comes out to be, that will be paid to you. So that means you always have access to your money and you're always gaining. Now, similar thing with 90 days or 30 days, you can choose what period you want to, stake it for. Now, anything that's in your fund wallet, if you withdraw it directly, you pay a 8% charge. That's the withdrawal fee from fund wallet. It's just the same fee that applies to any of the withdrawal here as well. 8% straight. The good part is that as leaders, which I reckon that majority of you on this call would be, you're actively working, building your teams, and also as leaders, you gain from it as well because you get level commission from every single person on your team who's staking all the way down to 20 levels. So it works normally as your level bonus. Anyone who's directly signed up with you, when they stake whatever amount, you get 8% of their ROI. Similarly, anyone who falls on your second level and is staking whatever amount they're staking, you get 2% of their ROI. So you get a long term sustainable income, which is ROI on ROI for staking. So this is a way for us to introduce another stream of income to our leaders. And the good part is that this money, people could have just made this money from the system. And that means that money that they've already made from the system, on that also you are, gaining as leaders if they choose to stake that. Not just that, for anybody who's, new to network marketing system or is not very positive about network marketing system, you know what? They don't want to straight away buy a package. What they can do is that they can choose whatever amount they want. They can stake that amount. They can just buy a 10 XRP small package, and then they can choose to stake the rest of the money that they have. So, for example, they have 1000 XRP, let's say. Now, if they stake it, one is that the funds are always available to them whenever they want. So that way, they're not committing anything. The profits that they receive within 360 days, they would have received 1,250 XRP as profit on 1,000 XRP, which is like doubling their XRP without risking anything, which is, I think, just, amazing, not available anywhere else. Now, if they choose to buy a package with that 1,250 XRP that they've earned purely as profit, that means essentially they've not paid a single penny from their pocket to buy a package, and you, as their upline, as the introducer, still get the direct bonus, the team bonus, the level bonus from them. So they get a package for free and you get paid from it. And all this while, when they were staking that 1000 XRP, you were still getting paid from it. You were still getting paid level income, ROI level income on staking. So that means it gives, just that one scenario actually generates so many more avenues of income for you as a leader. Now, in order to gain from team staking, you don't even need to have any special qualification. It's simple, just the way for team bonus, you need to have your 500 XRP active package. It's just the same. There's nothing special. You don't need to have your own staking open or anything. Simply you can just have 500 XRP, either one single package or many packages put together, doesn't matter, as long as they're active packages of 500 XRP. Now, any amount that is staked is not counted towards your team bonus because the amount can be withdrawn by the person at any point in time. So it is possible that somebody chooses to stake 10,000 XRP today and the company pays team bonus in that. And tomorrow the person says, oh, you know what? I need access to the money, so I don't want to stake any further. So if I can just withdraw it. So because it is withdrawable at any point in time that they want, there is no team bonus. However, even from the profit, when they buy a package, you get team bonus on that. So that way it creates like a win-win-win scenario for everyone.